turning the Gear Sport over and we see the LED HR sensor utilizing green light which looks identical to the sensor within the Gear S3. The Gear Sport can sample your heart rate continuously throughout the day with the sample rate being configurable between always, this will impact battery life, frequent, every 10 minutes, and never. The fitment of the HR sensor on the Gear Sport differs from the S3 in that it doesn't lie flush with the back of the watch, it's raised by 1 mm. Whether this is a result of the slimmer design or intentional, we're fans of this approach as it does ensure the sensor gets a better contact with the skin whilst not feeling noticeable during everyday wear. The Gear Sport's body comes in two colors, black, the color of our review unit, and also blue, both accompanied by a matching 20 mm silicone strap. Encased in a 316 liters corrosion-resistant stainless steel body, the 1.2 inches circular Super AMOLED touch-enabled display is protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 3 and is surrounded by Samsung's ubiquitous rotating bezel. The bezel itself has a number of small, fine notches around its circumference to aid in grip and provide feedback during rotation with a smooth but noticeable click. It is a joy to use and provides an unobscured view of the screen at all times as you navigate through the Gear Sport's features. It's a matter of personal taste, but some of us prefer our smartwatches to sport the more traditional round displays, especially ones that we will wear 24/7 in the gym, at work and whilst playing. The Gear Sport comes with two strap lengths to accommodate different sized wrists. Samsung stated that they chose the 20 mm width of strap to appeal to both sexes, and the provided strap is made from a soft silicone with both sides featuring a 45-degree strip design.